Hi everyone, my name is Mallory Jane. Welcome back to my channel. If you'd like to see how I made these de-stress jeans at home using just an old pair of jeans, please keep watching. And my favorite part is definitely the bottoms. So some things you're gonna need is obviously an old pair of jeans, a new pair of jeans, whatever you want to use, a pair of scissors, a serrated knife, and then a pair of eyebrow pluckers, and also a washer to wash them whenever you're done. So here I'm just pointing out the bottom seam. You're going to want to cut straight across on both and just cut that very bottom off because that's how we're going to get it to look distressed at the bottom. So here I'm just showing you that I'm going to be cutting the very front of the jeans at the bottom. I'm going to be cutting it up higher just like that. Don't worry about it being perfect because after we pull out the fabric and we wash them, it's going to give its own shape, and that's what I'm doing here. I'm just pulling out some of the white thread just to start the distressed look. That way when we wash them, it'll come out a lot easier. And then here you can see I'm done. I de-stressed them, and then I'm telling you, once you put them in the washer, they're gonna look perfectly fine. And now I'm just cutting some slits in just like I did on my shorts video, and then you're gonna cut straight across. And then after we do that, we're just gonna start de-stressing them just like I did in my last video. Haven't seen it, you should go check it out because it goes a little bit more into detail than I do on this one. This video is like kind of a quick video, and here you can see I'm just de-stressing with the eyebrow pluckers. I'm just going to keep pulling out, and I'm pulling the strings out. I'm trying to get the ones that go straight up and down so we can get this look. Once you get the first one or two out, it's actually not that hard and it becomes really easy. And then here I'm just using the knife to kind of charade the other parts where I just want it to be open. It's just a lot easier than sitting there plucking it, and it goes a lot faster, and then it ends up looking like this. And then here I'm just pulling the pocket up because we don't want to cut the actual pocket. And then we're going to take the same steps, and I'm going to put some holes in the pockets. I'm going to put some holes in the back, and we're literally going to do the same exact step. Like I said, you can check out my video that I uploaded not that long ago. It is on my channel. This is the finished product. I really like how it turned out. The bottoms are my absolute favorite. This is like a new look, and I really, really like it. And I'm thinking about doing it on my other jeans as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And until next time, I love you guys, and bye.